What is up, guys? It's Aaron here from Attention to Detail.
And I'm Donovan.
And today we're going to be addressing the COVID-19 outbreak as well as answering some questions for you guys that we have created. So, I'm 16.
I'm 15, about to turn 16.
And we're from Northeast Illinois. And we service parts of the Northeast Illinois and some parts of Indiana as well. So, something a lot of people have been asking us is have we been losing business because of the COVID-19 outbreak? And the answer to this is definitely yes. We have put some plans in place to not lose too much money, and we have some deals going on with servicing people and killing germs with our steam cleaner. But as far as the actual outbreak, we've definitely lost some customers because they don't want to be outside, and they don't want us to be outside working on their car. So when did we start our business? We started in January of 2020 this year.
We started out it was going to be a side job, just on weekends. We still only work on weekends just because of school, but we will be working a lot more in the summer, pretty much every day, at least 4 days a week, trying to get 2 or 3 videos out every week for you guys. This summer should be pretty productive.
Who influenced us to start? So my dad actually influenced me to start. He's a huge entrepreneur himself, and he always strives for greatness, and so I wanted to strive and kind of be like him. So I took it upon myself to ask Donovan if he wanted to start this with me, and it's kind of history from there.
Personally, I've always admired other detailing YouTubers because I was very entertained by them, and I wanted to recreate that for my own entertainment and entertainment of the viewers.
How did we get started? Well, one day we got some materials and actually detailed my mom's car for her birthday. And I bought just enough, the minimum to detail the interior of a minivan. And it took me about 9 hours with the help of another friend. And I think from there we bought some more materials to keep getting started, and then...
Well, at that point, we thought we needed some customers. We thought we were prepared enough to start working on other people's cars. So one night I was over at his house and I called up my aunt, and we'd actually gotten another detail from a family friend for the same day. So we decided to book 3 appointments for one day, and we worked from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. on 3 different cars.
On our first day of work, which
they were
was
all SUVs.
Pretty exciting. Are we self-taught? Absolutely. I am self-taught, and I kind of taught Donovan a little bit, but he is also self-taught. We kind of just took it upon ourselves from YouTube, watching other YouTubers, as well as reading a lot of articles from a lot of detailing influencers.
I've been detailing cars for my dad. He owns an auto repair shop since I was like 8 or 9. Not to the full extent that we do now, not in any sort of professional way, just I think I know my way around interiors of cars. I know where to look for dirt and grime. So, next question.
Yeah. Why do we start with such a huge arsenal and not kind of build it from a smaller one? Well, I think watching other detailers with pretty big arsenals, I knew that they could get the job done fast and efficiently, as well as professional. And I wanted to make sure that we were getting every job done to our satisfaction. So we did start off with a little bit of a bigger budget than most, but
we thought it was worth spending the money initially to have a good first impression on our customers and give them as much satisfaction and good service as they deserve and what we wanted to provide.
Yeah, next question. What are we going to do for 100 subs? So, we plan on going to our local police and fire station and we're going to detail one of the first responders' personal cars or vehicles for free. So we'll do a fully loaded interior. We'll talk more about that later, what that entails. So, is this our only job? So currently I also caddy I'll be caddying and detailing in the summer, trying to focus mostly on detailing.
Personally, I've had jobs in the past, but I saw this as a lot better of an opportunity, being able to work for myself and being able to create content for YouTube at the same time and have fun while I'm doing it all. So
yeah. So do we split this business 50-50? So we do actually split this business 50-50, as well as we take out a certain percentage of every job that goes into a separate account for our materials and if anything happens, breaks, whatnot.
We just want to be prepared for if anything happens, keeping a good amount of money away so that we can keep working and providing for viewers and customers.
Yeah, so how do we get our clients and our customers? Our main way right now is word of mouth as well as Facebook, if you want to go into detail on that.
Well, Facebook, we kind of just, with people we know, we've asked them to share, we've asked them to recommend us. We're starting out very small, but once summer hits, we're really going to boost all that stuff and try our best to get as many clients as possible, basically.
Yeah, one of the things that we wanted for this, for our business at first, is not to spend any money on advertising. We're working on our website with search engine optimization, as well as Facebook that Donovan talked about, and we're hoping to try and spend $0 on advertising.
The website did cost some money, but that's kind of something you need as a basic asset for any business, just to give people a website and an email to go look at or contact you with.
Yep. What services do we offer? So I'll kind of go into what services we offer, then Donovan will explain some of them. So for our interior, we offer a basic interior service and a loaded interior service. For exterior, we offer a basic exterior hand wash and wax, and then a loaded exterior wash and wax, as well as an engine bay detailing and headlight restoration.
So interior, basic interior is going to be, your car's going to look basically brand new. The only difference is a full steam clean on all the plastics and removing all the trim pieces, which would be included in the loaded, as well as the carpet shampoo, agitation, and dirt extraction.
Yeah, and then for exteriors,
it would be basic exterior. We do go through most of the steps as with the loaded exterior, but we leave out the headlight restoration, and that's included in the loaded exterior. As a final step to our loaded exterior, we add a windshield wiper restoration service, so you streak-free window wipers, basically. Our goal is to provide the most quality and customer service person to person, and with their satisfaction as they sit in their car going to work the next morning.
Yeah, so our philosophy is kind of, if we got another company has one guy working on a vehicle for 4 hours, they're going to do a pretty decent job. But if we have two guys working on a vehicle for 4 hours, that's double clean your car is going to get. So we just think that's kind of the way we run things, and again, if we can see it, our customers can see it. So guys, we hope you enjoyed this little Q&A, and if you have any other questions, we'd be more than happy to answer them in the comments section, so make sure to drop those comments. Also, give us a subscribe, that helps out our channel, and you know what's happening when we're reaching 100 subs. So like the video as well. Again, I'm Aaron from Attention to Detail.
I'm Donovan.
We'll see y'all in the next one.